Hey guys, Andy here. So Google have released a few apps recently, sort of a little under the radar. They've not really made much of a song and a dance about them, but actually very handy. You might have seen my Files Go review, I don't know, a few months back. Well, someone pointed out this one here, Datally, Mobile Data Saving and Wi-Fi App by Google. You can see here all the things it says it does, but the main thing is just that it helps you track and monitor your mobile data use. Now I've got, I don't know, kind of 20 gig or something on my plan, so I'm not particularly in need of this. But the point being, we turn on the data saver. I need to turn Wi-Fi, oops, missed. Need to turn Wi-Fi off. You see there it says data saver on. And basically it sort of gives us control over what apps can do in the background. So in fact, let's change it from, let's go to this week. So you can see now my data usage through the week. Down below we can see what apps have been using that data. Now the important thing is this is in the background. It doesn't mean if I turn off data usage, it doesn't mean I can't use the app. So data usage is off now, but I'm going to open, we're going to play Instagram roulette. There we go, fairly safe. So it still works. But what it means is when it's not the main application, it's not what you're looking at, it can't use data in the background. Now, let's go back into that. Oh, what did it say? It said something about a highlight there. Data usage highlights. So it's just pointing out Instagram used 5 megs today, wowzers. So if you can see on the right hand side there, it's got these sort of locks or unlocks. Let's go back to the week view. So I can see what different apps have been using my mobile data, and I can either allow them to use data in the background or block them from using data in the background, and it is just background data. You can see I've used 1.5 gig this week. I've only been using the app for this month, yeah, because it's the 4th of the month basically, so the month is not as long as the week. Anyway, so that's where you can see some information. We've also got when it's running, when it's blocking mobile data, you can see it there. But we've also got a bit that helps us find Wi-Fi, which again could be quite handy if your plan isn't particularly big. So there we go. That's it. I mean, it's not a huge app. It's not all that complicated. It kind of feels like you should be able to do it in the operating system already, to be honest. And I think you probably can if you delve in through the settings. I'm sure you can turn off background data for certain apps, but this just makes it a bit more visual. It's a bit easier. It's nicely presented and generally sort of quite simple, but quite handy. So that's Datally. It's free. It's by Google in the Play Store. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. For now, my name's Andy. I'll catch you all again soon. You made it all the way to the end. Well done. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please do subscribe by clicking the little fella over on this side of the screen. You might also want to check out the other videos. Should be just there. Check out my website as well, androidandy.uk, made by me. I'm learning HTML and PHP, so hopefully it's functional. But I'll see you again in the next video.